Your computer doesn't understand letters, numbers, or images. It only understands on or off, represented as ones and zeros. Binary code, the foundation of all computing. Binary works through representation. Patterns of bits encode everything. Numbers use base 2, where each position represents a power of 2, 1, 2, 4, 8. So 1011 equals 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11 in decimal. Text becomes binary through encoding standards like ASCII or Unicode, where each character maps to a number, then to binary. So cat becomes a string of bits representing 67, 65, 84. Images are grids of pixels. Each pixel has RGB color values, 0 to 255 per channel, all converted to binary. A single 1080p image contains over 2 million pixels times 3 color values equals 6 million numbers, all stored as bits. Compression, JPEG, PNG, reduces redundancy, but the foundation remains binary. Video is sequential images, 24 to 144 frames per second. Audio samples sound waves thousands of times per second, storing amplitude values in binary. The remarkable part? The computer doesn't know what binary means. It just processes instructions. Meaning comes from software and human interpretation. That's why the same binary file can display as text, image, or sound depending on how it's opened. Data scales in bits single 1/0 and bytes 8 bits, growing to KB, MB, GB, TB. Your phone stores trillions of bits representing all your digital life. Binary isn't just for storage. CPUs execute binary encoded instructions via registers and ALUs, performing calculations in pure logic. Unlike analog signals that degrade, digital binary is discrete and reliable. Copy it perfectly every time, though quality trades off with file size via resolution, sample rate, and bit depth. From fiber optic light pulses to wireless radio waves, the entire internet runs on binary traveling globally. So next time you stream a video or send a message, remember, beneath it all flows a universal sea of simple, elegant ones and zeros, patterns we've agreed to interpret as everything digital. Binary is not magic. It's mathematics, engineering, and human ingenuity working together to turn switches into stories, signals into songs, and code into connection.